In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy a page here in Canva to another project. Now, as we can see, I have this planner just here, and this is made up of different sections. So we have personal information, passwords, important dates, my week, and so on. Now, this is all just one planner, but let's say we wanted to break this up into multiple different projects. So this is actually really easy to do, and all we have to do is copy and paste. Now, this file is 21 centimeters by 29.7. I have a new project just here, and this is an 8.5 times 11. Now, to copy, all we're going to do is click onto the page that we want. Let's do this one, this passwords. Then we're going to use a keyboard shortcut for copy and pasting. Now on a Mac, it's Command and C. So now if I copy this page with Command and C, then come over to the new project and just do Command and V, we've now copied this into a brand new project. Now, if you have different dimensions in your new project than you do to your original project, then you might have to click on a few bits and just align it to make it fit a little bit better. Now, to do this, we can simply just highlight over everything, and then we can make that a little bit smaller just to make it fit that little bit easier. But nonetheless, that's how you do it. You just want to copy and paste the whole page. So let's say we wanted my week as well. We click onto the page, we do Command and C, we come over to the new project, and then Command and V, and now we have that page as a separate page as well, because when you do that, it literally pastes the whole page. But nonetheless, that's how easy it is to copy a page into a brand new project here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.